Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Michelle, and if you haven't been here before, welcome. Come on, let's go. So I have my sewing room, as you can see down there, and as you can see, it's a complete disaster. I don't know what I have. I'm buying multiple things that I already own because I can't tell what I have. So I decided that I was going to make it my mission to clean up my sewing room. Well, basically my entire downstairs. Because we moved in here December 2020, and I still have my entire pantry room full of boxes. So we've got to get this underway. So I hope you guys enjoy this video with a little bit of cleaning, part 1. And there'll be more parts coming, and I hope you guys enjoy. Have a good day.
Did so, I'm turning the radio up. Don't wanna hear it's too late for apologize. Lately I've realized that what goes around comes back around. What goes around comes back around. You should never have to make excuses for his behavior towards you, the one he you did, so I'm turning the radio up. Don't wanna hear it's too late for apologize. Lately I've realized